Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. And today I got a new mining website where you can mine Litecoin for free and easily. We have a very good platform for all of you. How can you reach it and how can you create your account in this free starter mining platform? You need to enter your username and email and put password. After that you need to click on I have read the understood and agree to the terms and condition. You need to click on create now. You can create your account in this website through this way very easily and authentically. I have already account now. I am going to log in and I will further teach you everything about this mining platform. Stay tuned. Here you can see that my mining already started in the form of Litecoin and you can generate big number of profit from this free cloud mining platform. You can make deposit. You can also go on other ways to increase your earning to generate number of benefit. We have both method available. And if you want to increase your earning with the help of deposit, you need to purchase plans over here. And we have number of plans available. Just click on upgrade mining now. And here you can see that we have trial days, 7 days, and you need to make deposit only 0.039 Litecoin and daily profit will be 0.0075 Litecoin in this website. And this plan will work for you for 7 days and you can generate number of benefit from this free mining platform. And we have started 3 days contract and you need to make deposit only 0.13 Litecoin and you can generate on daily basis 0.03 Litecoin, 0.06 Litecoin per day you can generate from this plan, and you will be able to receive 40,000 GH hydro power withdraw for free. Referral commission will work for you for 15%. You can also go on basic 3 days. We have advanced miner, also we have pro 3 days, elite, and we have number of ways available to generate and earn big profit from these plans. And if you want to go on trial 7 days contract, just click on purchase contract now and you can see we have please confirm your miner available over here. And you can see you need to copy this Litecoin wallet address, paste this address in any other crypto wallet, and you need to make deposit only 0.039 Litecoin in this website to generate and earn big profit from here. And you can see you will receive 0.0525 Litecoin in just 7 days from this mining platform through 7 days very easily and quickly. And if you go on any other miner that likewise, and if you go on starter 3 days, just click on purchase contract now. You need to make deposit only 0.13 Litecoin and you need to copy this Litecoin wallet address, paste this address in any crypto wallet to deposit here 0.13 Litecoin and you can generate on daily basis. Total profit will be 0.18 Litecoin in this website. In this way you can generate big number of profit from this free cloud mining platform. And if you have enough balance available to make your first withdrawal, just click on withdraw option now. And here you can see that minimum withdrawal amount 0.025 Litecoin and you need to insert your enter amount over here and insert your Litecoin wallet address and click on request withdraw now. You can take withdraw from this website immediately to your account through this way very easily and authentically. Now we also have another option, that is referral system work for you. Just click on your referral and here you can see you will receive your referral link over here. You need to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral who work here and deposit here, you are going to generate number of benefit from this free cloud mining platform. Hopefully you like it, you love it.